They are extracting more from the less, which ultimately results in economic benefits. And the third point is global warming. When these electronic gadgets work, it goes on heating the environment, which results in global warming, depletion of ozone layer, which shows that if we implement this software, it will also contribute to global warming, in reducing global warming. Okay, apart from these social responsibilities of business, what we individuals can do for our environment and for our cutting cost. The individual, as earlier stated in this presentation, that we must be motivated to conserve our energy, our electricity power, so we can control it very effectively for the better utilization. So this is the point which I want that you all must focus that it's not only the firm's responsibility or